How's it going, everybody? Hopefully you enjoy this video of me pressure washing this absolute rot box of a K5 Blazer. There's really no reason why I'm doing this other than the pure satisfaction of seeing if it would turn white again. I don't have any desire to fix this vehicle, and I'm going to scavenge as much as I can off of it for other projects that I have. But if you're seeing this, check out my YouTube channel, Hackett Garage. Like, comment, subscribe on that. You know, we're not the best of the best, but we're slowly getting there, and I try to see what I can do to make every video better than the other one before it. So, check it out, and if you like working on old junk and just about anything that's four-wheel drive, check it out, and hopefully you enjoy.